Guys, I will show you how to fix register problem or sign in or sign up problem or login problem on Lemon8 app. The solution is very easy, just you need to watch and follow this video till the end. So if you have this problem, you don't need to open your Lemon, just turn off your Wi-Fi and go directly open the settings of your device. Click at apps option and right now search for Lemon8 and click on it like this. You will see this list of options. Scroll it down, click storage, click just clear cache only. Back after that, click on force, stop and click OK. And after this, go to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. Update your Lemon8 if you found the update available. If you didn't find it, it's okay. Restart your device. And after that, your problem will be solved correctly. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.